Understanding Beverage of Choice, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in daily conversations, menus, or even in literature: beverage of choice. It's a phrase that sounds straightforward but holds a nuanced meaning. Stick with us to uncover the layers behind this expression and how you can use it confidently in your English conversations. The phrase, beverage of choice, refers to the preferred drink of a person given a selection of options. It's not just about any drink they might pick up. It's about the one they would choose if they had their full range of favorites in front of them. This can apply to non-alcoholic options like coffee, tea, or soda, as well as alcoholic drinks such as wine, beer, or cocktails. Let's dissect the phrase a bit more. Beverage is a formal term for any liquid that you can drink. The word choice, in this context, signifies preference or selection. So, when combined, beverage of choice specifically highlights a person's favorite or preferred drink among various alternatives. You can use beverage of choice in several ways. 1. Describing preferences, when talking about your own or someone else's preferences. For example, my beverage of choice in the morning is a strong espresso. 2. In restaurants or events, when being asked about your preference. For instance, a waiter might ask, "What's your beverage of choice for tonight?" 3. In writing and literature, to add detail about a character's habits or preferences, enhancing the narrative. To give you a clearer picture, here are a few examples. At parties, her beverage of choice is always a gin and tonic. Given the variety of teas available, it was hard to decide on a beverage of choice. During the meeting, they offered a range of beverages, but coffee remained the popular choice. Understanding and using phrases like beverage of choice can add richness to your English speaking and writing. It's a phrase that elegantly expresses preference and variety, making your language more nuanced and specific. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and use of this phrase for you. Happy learning! And don't forget to practice using beverage of choice in your next English conversation.